You're hiking through the forest, basking in the silence of nature, when suddenly, crack, a twig snaps. You freeze. Out of the shadows emerges a bear. Or maybe a lion. Or worse, an angry hippo. Wild animal encounters are rare, but when they happen, every second counts. The right move can save your life. So, how do you survive a shark attack? What if a kangaroo sizes you up like you're in a boxing ring? Today, we'll explore 13 practical survival tips that could one day make all the difference. Some will surprise you, others might just stick with you forever. Grab your mental notebook and stay sharp. You're watching Smartness to Go. Tip number 13, sharks. Let's start with the ocean's most feared predator, the shark. Despite their terrifying reputation, only about 20 out of 150 shark species have ever attacked humans. So you're not exactly on their menu, but if one gets curious, stay calm. Rule 1, don't panic or splash around. Splashing makes you look like prey. Rule 2, never let blood or urine enter the water. Sharks can smell it from miles away. If a shark approaches, don't turn your back. Face it. Move slowly. If it attacks, aim for the eyes or gills. Those are its most sensitive spots. You're not trying to win a fight. You're just buying yourself a chance to swim away alive. Tip number 12, kangaroos. You probably didn't expect kangaroos on this list, but these jumpy marsupials can be dangerous if you wander into their turf. So what do you do if a kangaroo looks ready to rumble? Cough. Yes, really. Short, soft coughs make you seem sick or weak. Kangaroos pick up on that and may lose interest. Next, back away slowly. Don't turn and run. Kangaroos are Olympic-level jumpers. They'll catch you in seconds. Instead, shrink your profile and leave peacefully. Who knew escaping a kangaroo required such manners? Tip number 11, lions. Face to face with a lion? Now's not the time to blink. Keep eye contact. Don't look away and definitely don't run. That's prey behavior, and predators know it. Instead, look bigger. Raise your arms. Open your jacket. Stand tall. Speak in a strong, calm voice. Make yourself seem confident and unpredictable. Lions prefer avoiding fights with strange, noisy creatures. So be one. Don't act like prey. Act like a confusing, bold, very loud problem. Tip number 10, elephants. They're intelligent, majestic, and incredibly dangerous if provoked. Watch the ears and trunk. If the ears are pulled back and the trunk curls inward, you're not looking at Dumbo. You're looking at an elephant ready to charge. Don't run. You won't win that race. Instead, find a large object, a rock, tree, or hill, to place between you and the elephant. Use it as a shield, and slowly create distance. Never underestimate how fiercely an elephant will defend its calf. Respect their space, and you'll likely walk away unharmed. Tip number 9, rhinos. Rhinoceroses have terrible eyesight, but great instincts. That's a dangerous combo. They spook easily and can charge at up to 37 miles per hour. Try outrunning that? Good luck. The trick here is smart hiding. Trees, bushes, and tall grass are your best allies. Rhinos won't follow you into dense vegetation. So if you see one gearing up to charge, don't run down the trail. Disappear into the brush. It's like playing hide and seek with a 2,000-pound tank. Tip number 8, hippopotamuses. They look lazy, cute, and almost huggable. But hippos are one of the deadliest animals in Africa. They can run at nearly 19 miles per hour, and they're incredibly territorial, especially near water during drought season. Avoid tall grass and dry riverbeds. They often hide there to stay cool. If you do startle a hippo, climb something: a tree, a rock, a hill, anything that puts you out of reach. Then, wait. Patience is safer than panic. Tip number 7, bulls. We've all heard bulls hate the color red. Well, that's a myth. Bulls respond to movement, not color. If one charges, stand still. Then, when it's close, toss your hat or shirt far away. The bull will often chase the motion. Simple misdirection. Old school matador trick. But remember, timing is everything. Tip number 6, jellyfish. A jellyfish sting can feel like being electrocuted and burned at the same time. And no, peeing on it doesn't help. Instead, rinse the sting with salt water. Fresh water will only activate more stingers. Then, use tweezers or a stick to carefully remove any tentacle remains. Finish up with an antihistamine ointment if you have it, and next time you're in the ocean, maybe give that oddly translucent blob a little more respect. Tip number 5, crocodiles and alligators. These reptiles have the strongest jaws on Earth. So, if you're grabbed, fight dirty. Go for the eyes and throat. Those are your only soft targets. If you see one on land approaching, make noise and run in a zigzag. Their bodies aren't built for quick turns. And in water, stay quiet and calm. Splashing will only invite attention. Glide away like a leaf in the current. Tip number 4, snakes. Most snakes aren't dangerous. In fact, 80% of bites happen when people try to handle or kill them. If a snake follows you, stomp your feet. The vibrations confuse them. They'll usually slither away. Bitten? Don't play action hero. Don't suck the venom. It doesn't work. Wash the area with water, apply a tourniquet, and seek help immediately. Time, not toughness, is your real weapon. Tip number 3, bears. Bears rarely attack, but if you surprise one, instinct can kick in. Here's your golden rule. Don't run. You cannot outrun a bear. They hit 30 miles per hour with ease. Instead, curl into a ball. Protect your neck. Play dead. Let it sniff you. Yes, it might toss you around. Stay still. Bears often watch from a distance to make sure the threat is gone. Wait longer than you think before moving again. Your best defense here? Humility and patience. Tip number 2, gorillas. Gorillas are majestic, intelligent, and protective. They'll defend their family, but only if you act like a threat. So sit down, avoid eye contact, and whisper. This shows submission. If they approach or charge, curl into a ball. Gorillas rarely attack those who look weak or passive. This is one case where being small and quiet earns their respect and your survival. Tip number 1, bees. They're tiny, but when a swarm attacks, the danger is real. Avoid wearing dark clothes. They attract bees. If they follow you, don't swat wildly. Instead, find a dark place to hide. A tunnel, a shaded room. Bees get disoriented in low light. And remember, even a few stings can be fatal for those allergic. Treat every swarm like a serious threat. Pro tip: we hope you'll never need to fend off a bear, outsmart a kangaroo, or outswim a crocodile. But if you ever find yourself in the wild, caught between instinct and fear, remember these tips, because survival isn't just about strength, it's about smartness. And now you've got that in your back pocket. If this helped you feel even 1% braver, give us a like, share it with your adventurous friends, and subscribe for more clever insights. For more smartness to go, don't miss this next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.